been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Toyota Corolla LE in red. With HID headlamps, brake assist, 16-inch wheels, electronic stability control, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 65,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6845.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.